It's time once again for The Law and You, featuring attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, welcome to the show today.
Thanks for having us. Thank you.
All right, we've got a property stake issue for our question today, and here we go. When the law is you have a property survey done on your property and have survey stakes put in the ground, what's the law with that? Can the neighbor move or touch those stakes because he wants to widen his driveway on my property? What happens with this situation in the case of property stakes?
Well, yeah, with property stakes, they're not supposed to be moved. This is pretty simple. So if your neighbor, you had a survey done and your neighbor decides he wants to move the stakes, he's doing it at his own risk, because as soon as he puts his blacktop or concrete where the property stake was, he is now encroached upon your property, and you're going to have a lawsuit against him.
Just doesn't make any sense. I mean, your neighbor can't move the survey stakes, and if your neighbor decides that he wants to put his driveway on your property, your neighbor's going to be buying himself a lawsuit. I mean, you're going to be entitled to have him dig up his driveway, repair your property, a whole host of things. So I would strongly encourage your neighbor not to move the survey stakes. You get a survey done for a reason, to find out where the property lines are. Those are what the survey stakes are.
And like you said, I mean, this almost is like you're asking for a lawsuit by encroaching on your neighbor's property.
You're begging for a lawsuit.
Yeah, you want trouble, you want to spend money with lawyers, and I suppose if you are in need of that and you do something like that, I mean, you guys probably have seen this before. How could our viewers get in touch with you?
They can call us on the phone at 570-714-HURT or on our web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page and like us on our Facebook page. And if you have a question for an upcoming Law and You segment, post it. We'll do our best to answer it.
And maybe think twice about moving your neighbor's property stakes.
Just don't do it.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks so much.
Thanks for having us.
All right, to get your question answered by these guys on The Law and You, just go to PAHomepage.com.